If you get typhoid fever, it simply means you've ingested someone's poo or pee. Let me explain. Typhoid fever is a bacterial infection that can spread out through the body, infecting many organs. It's caused by a bacterium called Salmonella typhi. This bacterium is highly contagious and it can be transmitted through poo or pee. So it means that if you eat any food or drink any water that has been contaminated with even a small amount of an infected person's poo or pee, you can be infected or get typhoid fever. Here are a few symptoms of typhoid fever. Number 1, persistent high temperature. Most times it keeps increasing daily. So you realize that as the day goes by, your temperature also keeps increasing or going high. Secondly, headaches, general body aches and pain, easily fatigue, you easily get tired, cough. The funny thing is, typhoid fever can cause constipation in others, and it can also cause diarrhea in some other people. And also it can also lead to tummy ache. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to wash your hands, especially after going to the washroom. It might not save only you, it might also save others.